Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Mexican street corn off the cob. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the ingredients. Over here I have 16 ounces of frozen corn, 2 tablespoons of chopped red onions, 2 garlic cloves that I went ahead and minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime juice. I have 4 ounces of feta cheese. You can use cotija cheese or feta cheese. I have feta cheese on hand, so that's what I'm using. And then about a third of a cup of chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon of jalapeños, chopped jalapeños, half a teaspoon of chili powder, some salt and pepper. And now we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so on a high heat, I'm gonna go ahead and pan sear my corn. So I'm gonna pan sear it for about 5 minutes until it's slightly charred. So you're gonna go ahead and just mix it occasionally. Right, and while my corn is pan searing in a bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and mix all my ingredients together. So pretty much all the ingredients besides the corn. Right, so this is how you want your corn to look, and now I'm going to go ahead and add it to the rest of the ingredients and mix it all together very well. And now my Mexican street corn off the cob is ready to serve. This goes great with some barbecue chicken or some steak. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe.